Have you ever looked at a fashion designer's Instagram page, saw those stunning designs, those perfect stitches, and thought to yourself, I want to become a fashion designer? Well, I did. And let me tell you something nobody told me. Nobody told me that being a fashion designer comes with sleepless nights, confusing clients, injured fingers, and even second guessing yourself every time you cut a fabric. Trust me, it's not glam every time. Today, I'm going to get real with you and I'm going to share things I wish I had known before becoming a fashion designer. This is not textbook stuff. This is real and raw life lessons that come with the job and the trade. If you're thinking of entering into the world of fashion or you're already deep in it and you're wondering, am I the only one feeling this way? Am I the only one going through this? I'm here to tell you, you're not the only one. We are all in this together. And this video is for you. Let's get into it. Fashion design is not only about sketching those beautiful clothes. I remember when I started, I thought fashion design was going to be sketching those beautiful clothes, cutting them, and creating very beautiful masterpieces. But in reality, I am the creative director, I am the tailor, I am the delivery person, I am the customer service rep. Everything is revolving around it. I know you may be saying you delegate people to those tasks. Even if you delegate people, you will still be involved in it. You will still be involved because when clothes are leaving your company, you would want to check it, what's going on. There are times that you may even be the one to deliver it yourself. As far as it's your business, there is no how you're not going to be involved in every stage. Designing is only a part of the job. There are other aspects of fashion design that entail fittings, adjustments, last minute changes, even alteration. Nobody told me that I had to be technical, disciplined, and even very fast as a fashion designer. The second thing nobody told me before becoming a fashion designer is that your clients will test you. This one, it deserves a whole separate video on its own. You will make outfits for some clients, they will love it and they will joyfully pay you your money in full. While some clients will refuse to even acknowledge that they love your work, still they'll want to underpay you. I don't understand. I don't understand, but nobody told me that these clients actually don't mean harm. They don't just understand the process it takes to bring a design to life. And this is your job as a fashion designer to explain to them firmly but politely. Third thing nobody told me before becoming a fashion designer was that learning never ends as a fashion designer. I thought when I was done learning how to cut, how to stitch, I thought that was it. But no one told me that I was going to keep learning because the world of fashion is evolving. Every day there is betting of new skills, new styles, new creativity, new innovation. What worked last year may not be in demand this year. So I have learned to keep growing. I have learned to keep learning via YouTube tutorials, short videos, and even experimenting on designs. Nobody told me creativity was not enough in the job. They also needed to continue learning because growth in fashion design is continuous. Nobody knows it all from the start. So if you're thinking what you know now is going to sustain you in the next 10 years, it's a lie. So you have to keep learning, you have to keep improving on your skills to still be in demand in this market. The fourth thing nobody told me before becoming a fashion designer was that fashion design involves business. Like there is a part of fashion design, there's a part of creativity, and there is a part of business. No one told me about this. No matter how talented you are as a fashion designer, if you don't know how to communicate your brand, if you don't know how to brand yourself, if you don't know how to advertise your business, you will struggle. Because as a fashion designer now, in this time and age, you need to build strategies that will put you out there, that will make people know that you made these outfits and even trust you enough to pay for them and come back for more. Nobody told me fashion design was 40% creativity and 60% business strategy. Despite all the pressure, all the sewing machine fights, all the difficult clients, I still love what I do 100%. There's this joy that comes from seeing a client walks away happy in something you created. Yes, I have learned a lot the hard way, but I still wouldn't trade this journey for anything in the world. I hope this has helped you, whether you're an aspiring fashion designer or you're already in your fashion design journey. Let me know in the comment section, what's that thing you wish you knew before starting your fashion design journey? And if you're just starting, what's that one thing you're most nervous about? Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more fashion truths, more fashion tips coming straight from the sewing room. And until next time, don't forget to remain positive, blessed, and beautiful. Bye.